According to me, PowerPoint is not just a tool, but it's a vital skill for the companies and for the organization as well as for the employees. It is very essential for all the organization because it helps the companies to build up the data in a graphical way, also present their data nowadays, because if you see all the in the digitalization world, everything is done in a data way. So you have to present your data in such a way that it is easy to read and people should grasp the details.
Pradeep Gupta from J24 G2 batch. Today at Welingkar Institute I have attended the presentation skill lecture, and it was totally designed and structured manner, and we have learned lot of things from basic to advanced, and whatever we have not learned earlier in the presentation we have learned today, and it was very interactive and helpful. Thank you so much.